Children, let us discuss the next problem in the pair of linear equations in two variables. Here this is the exercise problem 3.6. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. We need to find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of the water. Let us calculate that one. Solution here, children. To find the solution, before going to find the solution, we have to calculate. We have to take the speed of rowing in still water. Let us take the speed of rowing in still water. So speed of rowing in still water as x kilometer per hour, and let us take the speed of water as y kilometer per hour. Here there are two cases, children. One is Ritu can row downstream. Downstream means it is moving along with the flow of water. Moving along with the flow of water means we have to add the speed of boat with the speed of water. So speed becomes x plus y kilometer per hour. So speed is x plus y kilometer per hour. Here Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. So we know the formula to calculate. Case 1, let us take this one as the case 1. In case 1, here speed is given. Speed is equals to x plus y and the distance is 20 km. And time is given 2 hours. We know the formula, that is to calculate speed. Speed is equals to distance divided by time taken. So this implies x plus y is equals to 20 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So x plus y is equals to 10. So this is our first equation in first case, in case number 1. Let us take the case number 2. In case number 2, what is our case number 2? Upstream. Upstream means we have to subtract the speed of water in the speed of rowing. So it becomes x minus speed becomes x minus y kilometer per hour, and time given here, time taken is, what is the time taken here? Time taken is in upstream 2 hours. Again it is time taken is 2 hours, and the distance covered is 4 km. Again we know the formula, that is speed is equals to distance divided by time taken. Here speed is x minus y is equals to distance is 4 km and time taken is 2 hours. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x minus y is equals to 2. This is our equation number 2. To calculate the values of speed in rowing in still water and speed of water in y kilometer per hour, we have to find the values of x and y here. To find the values of x and y, here I will solve equation number 1 and 2 simultaneously. That is x plus y is equals to 10 and x minus y is equals to 2. If I solve these two simultaneously, here plus y minus y get cancels. 2x is equals to plus 10 plus 2 becomes plus 12. So x is equals to 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 6 are. X is equals to 6 km per hour. X is equals to 6 kilometer per hour. To calculate y, substitute this in any one of the equation. So I will substitute it. X minus y is equals to 2. Here x is 6. 6 minus y is equals to 2. 6 minus 2 is equals to y. So 4 is equals to y. 4 is equals to y. So the speed of rowing in still water is speed of rowing in still water is speed of rowing in still water is 6 kilometer per hour. 6 kilometer per hour, and speed of water is what is the speed of water? 4 kilometer per hour, children. 4 kilometer per hour. This is how we can solve the verbal problem by converting them into the pair of linear equations in two variables. Thank you, children. For the next videos and for the next classes, subscribe my channel and like my videos. If you like and subscribe my channel, it inspires me to do the next classes, children. Thank you. Bye.